B2B inboxes are dying. Opens, clicks, replies, all trending down. Most teams keep blasting generic emails and wondering why pipeline flatlines. Welcome to Vibe Marketing, the blueprint that flips those numbers by creating relationship-driven revenue at AI speed. You learn how to launch 3,000 hyper-personalized sequences for 3,000 prospects, each in your authentic voice and sync to live buying signals. Do this right, and you'll transform your business, save hours every day, and outcompete 98% of marketing teams using AI today. Let's dive in and turn fading engagement into unstoppable growth. Let's level set. Email open rates down across every industry. Organic Google traffic down. 96% of prospects complete research before they meet sales, and 54% of sales reps say closing has never been harder. While competitors obsess over vanity metrics, buying behavior has flipped. Evolve now or hand over tomorrow's pipeline. All B2B was volume. One blast, one generic PDF, one interrupted buyer. Vibe marketing is velocity. 3,000 unique messages, company-specific microsites, buyer-led journeys, AI-fueled authenticity. We're swapping content volume plays for execution speed dominance. Speed, personalization, and accuracy beat size. The teams that move fastest, guided by real signals, own the narrative and the pipeline. Why should you listen to us? We're AI pioneers in revenue acceleration, trusted by more than 700 companies. I'm Ronen Horen, ex-Google Israel, builder of 50 AI assistants for B2B sales and marketing teams that deliver 10x productivity. Alongside me is my partner, Ron Fox, Tel Aviv University AI Masters researcher, AI solution engineer, and mathematician, transforming complex models into scalable revenue systems. Today, our team builds AI BDR and Vibe marketing agents for leading B2B companies, powered by the world's most advanced AI platforms. We're giving 10 B2B companies a free Vibe marketing strategy session, normally $2,250. You'll get your brain voice DNA ready for AI, 3 untouched competitive gaps, a 30-day rollout plan, custom AI prompts tuned to your stack, only 7 spots left. Click the link in the description below to book your session. Here's the engine. Voice engineering. Scale the founder's voice without losing soul. Competitive intelligence. Let AI spot the conversations your rivals miss. Relationship systems. AI clears 2 hours of admin daily so reps spend times where 72% of revenue is born. Existing relationships. This isn't automation. It's a re-imaged revenue model. What does it look like live? PDFs trade for one-to-one microsites. Messaging tested against AI-modeled audiences before launch. 3,000 personalized sequences generated in days, not weeks. Result: 10x faster content creation and relationship-driven growth, while competitors argue over attribution. Let me show you exactly what is workforce multiplication looks like in practice. One of our clients, a Series B SaaS company, was spending 1,600 plus hours per quarter on manual prospect research for the 3,000 prospect cycles. That's equivalent to 3 plus full-time employees working the entire quarter just on research. After deploying their Vibe marketing agent, the same 3,000 prospect cycle now runs automatically and delivers deeper insights than any human team could achieve. Each prospect gets around 10 minutes of AI-powered advanced research and signal analysis, deeper than manual research, intent scoring from multiple data sources, and personalized message drafting with authentic voice. Our agent discovers buying signals and insights that their human team was missing entirely, with zero added headcount. The math: 3,000 prospect times 10 minutes equals 500 of AI work replacing 1,600 plus hours of human labor. That's not efficiency improvement, that's workforce multiplication. Bolt.new is an AI-powered platform that turns prompts into full-stack web apps and websites. Code, design, user flows, everything. We leverage it to deliver high-impact, dynamic, one-to-one microsites for our clients. One master template, cloned, personalized for every account in hours, no extra devs. It plugs into HubSpot and Salesforce and ships with Google Analytics and Looker Studio dashboards for real-time insight. High-impact experiences faster than exporting a PDF. This is our Vibe Marketing Agent, fully custom built to match your goals, data sources, and go-to-market motion. We use the powerful NA10 platform to architect each flow from the ground up, from LinkedIn research and CRM enrichment to lead scoring and message generation. Every block is tailored. Your ICP, your tone of voice, your live signals, no templates, no guesswork, just high precision, autonomous intelligence built to convert better than anything you've seen before. Bottom line, Vibe Marketing changes how prospects feel your brand. It turns every buyer interaction into an experience they remember and are more likely to act on. 2025 is the inflection. Early adopters seize the high ground. 2026, the market tips. 2027, traditional playbooks are obsolete. Lead now or spend 2 years in catch-up mode. Authentic relationship will be the only edge that matters. Ready to own your market with Vibe Marketing? Hit the link below, lock your strategy session, and let's turn AI into your ultimate revenue engine. We're excited to build the future together.